Hi, it's Andrea Budei of Intelligence Framework, and we are talking about INFRA, our product that uses machine learning for hacking. So we have a military background. We normally sell to government entities, but how this platform can be useful for corporations. First is the VAPT, so vulnerability assessment and penetration tests are mandatory for compliance for different standards, including PCI-DSS and Basel, ISO 27000, and many others. So imagine, especially banks, e-commerce, website, many big corporations, they have to be compliant. So it's mandatory to do vulnerability assessment and penetration tests, and this is what INFRA actually does. Is automated scanning, so vulnerability assessment, and automated hacking, so penetration testing. INFRA is already validated by the industry, so not only government entities, but also corporations, big corporations. Especially we can see telcos, but also banks. Why they choose us? They are really using it because we find more vulnerabilities. In standard checks, in a standard website for vulnerabilities, we find more than the competitors. Even if the main competitors are more than 20 years in the market, INFRA has a higher potential, not only because it's funding public disclosed vulnerabilities, so something that is public, everybody knows that vulnerabilities are published on the internet, but INFRA is also able to find new vulnerabilities using a technique called fuzzing. Is also called monkey testing. So basically sending random information, random data, and seeing how the server will answer. In this way, we can imagine there are vulnerabilities, and then we can verify them and see they are real. This way, we have a little bit an advantage compared to the others. We find actually more vulnerabilities than the competitors. So this is basically the only platform that can automate vulnerability assessment and penetration test. We say that yes, we do the vulnerability assessment, many others they do vulnerability assessment, but we also automate the penetration testing. So the hacking part, when we find a vulnerability with the scanner, we compare with exploit, and we try to exploit this vulnerability. We try to hack. This gives us also a certain level of security of that there is a real vulnerability and not a false positive. In this way, we can do automated validation. The result is something easy to use. It's executive friendly, multi-language, with a clean interface that you can easily understand how to use it. But it's also deep, and you can use every module and every plugin. If you are a hacker, you can do more. Many parts are automated, as we said. Fuzzing part, for example, to find new vulnerabilities, and hacking part to validate and do the penetration test. It's multi-target, so not only server and all the services that are offer, for example, web and POP3, SMTP, so talking about emails, or FTP, SSH, anything. We are very good in applications. Probably we are the best compared to the others in the field in web applications, and we are specialized in IoT. IoT, Internet of Things, are basically small servers with a small web application to manage it, and normally there's FTP and some other services. So it's kind of similar to a server with a web application, just smaller. Our solution is in the cloud, so it's in internet. It's a software as a service with the annual license that can be renovated, but it can be eventually installed in a device or also in a big mainframe. So we are looking for strategic partners and distributors. Contact us.